Greetings, mathematicians! In this short video, you'll learn about the Brainingcamp number line. Once logged in, click on the number line manipulative. The number line manipulative opens to show a number line 0 to 20 as a default. The range can be changed through the settings menu or by using the slider. The toolkit holds jumps, placeholders, markers, and the option to add more number lines. To add a jump, select and drag the jump to the number line. To adjust the size of the jump, drag the arrow left or right. The purple marker can be placed to show the value of the number on the number line. To move the number line, group select and drag to desired location. Add more number lines by selecting the number line icon from the toolbox. Toggle the labels on or off by selecting the label icon on the selection options. Add a hop by dragging to the number line, or by selecting the jump and selecting copy. Use the pen tool to show your thinking. From the settings menu, you're able to decide what workspace labels to have on or off. Selecting the button will turn the labels on and off for objects, axis, and the marker. The workspaces can be changed to work with decimals, fractions, or an open number line. The open number line workspace looks different in the toolkit. You can drag a marker onto the line. By selecting the marker, you can change the value by entering a number and selecting Enter. Clear the value, copy, lock, or delete the label. The hops can be dragged to the number line. Click on the arrow and drag to adjust the size on the hop. Add and adjust as many labels as needed. It's that easy. Now you're ready to use the number line by Brainingcamp. If you want more practice with the general interface, we encourage you to watch the Getting Started with Brainingcamp tutorial video. Remember, each manipulative has its own tutorial video with details specific to each. Let us know if you have any questions.